probably like 110 of them. Good job, guys. I'm proud of you. Stay focused. They're catching on. Wait, they're ketchuping on. Hey, who's been teaching you that? Hey, first graders, you guys having fun? Carrying it all around, it's kind of tough and challenging. We may do it with some schools. From last year, I came to the school, did some chess presentations. Ours is it's just Trained Children Chess Academy. We're not a soccer channel. These guys play soccer, probably around 220 kids. Actually, that's what's signed up, but it's probably 230 in actuality. Her king can never put himself in a square where it's being attacked. So basically you have to take your move over. Straight line in front of my peace sign all the way back. Hey, how's it going? We're here at Starr King Elementary. This is the third week. We're in the cafeteria right now doing the chess tournament, third grade through fifth grade. It's pretty good. I had to lay down the rules earlier. I was a little strict because they were pretty wild last week. Yeah, it's good. I know they're kind of loud, but you know that's how it is sometimes with kids. But they're doing good. A lot of them have improved, and we got a lot of checkmates last week. Yes. Wow, beautiful. That's a checkmate. Yep. No one can block. King is under attack. He can't go anywhere. All right. Can you get him? You got a checkmate. Oh, sorry. You got a checkmate. Tell them your grade, first name, last initial. All right, how you guys doing over here? Good. So, who's winning? Oh, I see that he's ahead a little bit. He's good. What do you guys think about the chess club?
It's good.
Why is it good?
Because I like to play chess, and I play chess.com on my computer.
Oh, you do? You play at home on the internet? That's awesome. What about you? Why do you like chess?
Because I get candy.
Oh my, you joined chess for the candy? No, don't come to chess for candy. Come to chess because it's good for your brain, helps you with thinking skills, it helps you develop patience, build character. What do you like about the chess club?
I like about chess club because it's fun to play chess, and I like playing chess.
Okay. How about you, buddy?
I like chess club because I get to meet my friends and eat ice cream and get candy.
Where's the ice cream here? I don't see no ice cream. You said there's ice cream.
He had that ice cream.
Oh, you're not in trouble. You can eat the ice cream in here, bro. Yeah, especially only if it's blue. I was gonna call you that. No, not as a diss, but. All right, thanks, guys. We'll see you next week.
Okay.
Can you do this?
Yes, of course. The knight can go 1 square, 2 square, 1 to the side in any direction. Backwards, forward, L shape, remember?
Louis.
There you go. Good job. Hey, I'm here with Ilana and Brentsy. Just gonna ask them a couple questions. Do you like chess?
Yes.
What do you like about chess?
I like about chess because I could play with my friends.
You play with your friends? Okay. How about you? What do you like about chess?
Is that you can have fun and you can also
Have candy?
also having candy and having fun in chess.
All right, cool. Awesome. Thank you, guys. Yeah, rook can go forward or sideways or backwards. Yeah, your rook can attack that. And you should.
It's because this is gonna be funny. He just got his phone and asked Gemini how to win a game of chess.
You think that's gonna help you? Maybe. But you can still defend against it. You're a good player. Kings can never be next to kings, ever. Kings have to be at least 1 square apart from each other. Yeah. The reason why you can't put kings next to each other is because you're putting your king in check, right? And you're not allowed to put your king in check. Okay? You don't put your king in check because if the rules in chess are when your king's in check, you have to get out of check. What makes you think you can put your king back in a check? Kings can never be next to each other. They have to be at least 1 square apart. All right, so this group is 3rd through 5th graders, and we're using the cafeteria. There's probably like 110 of them, but I'm gonna show you guys kinder, 1st and 2nd graders right now. We're gonna go to their classroom to see what they're doing. All right, so we're going into the auditorium and where the 2nd graders are. And the 2nd grade group was so big, we had to split up the group and put girls in one section and boys in one section. So there's like 3 teachers, maybe 4 inside here. So let's go check them out. What's up? All right, how you guys doing? All right. They're doing good?
Yeah.
You got treats?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. You doing good, Marvin? Wow, they look pretty good, man. They're sitting quietly, paying attention. Do you have enough to give them 2 candies?
I think so.
Nice. Good job, guys. I'm proud of you. Stay focused. Listen to Coach Davis. He's an incredible chess player, incredible chess teacher, and he's here to help you guys, all right? You guys good?
Yes.
All right, cool.
Okay.
Yeah, so pretty shocking to see how quiet and good those kids are. Let's see how these girls are probably playing already. Oh my gosh, I can't even get in here. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm glad you didn't start your game yet, though. What is going on in here? I'm gonna tell Mrs. Jackie if we can use a room, so you guys can have more room. You guys want more room next week?
Yeah!
I feel like sardines. Is this the Sardines Chess Club?
Yeah!
You guys know what sardines are?
No!
Oh my gosh. All right, so this is the 2nd grade girls at Starr King Elementary. Coach Sebastian has them in here. We are sardines right now. So, no, I'm not saying you are a sardine. I'm saying this is like sardines. We're kind of like, check.
Everybody say hi to the camera.
We have to go out this way because we're gonna mess up their chessboard. So we got Coach Sebastian here. So how do you like teaching the 2nd grade girls?
It's fun. It's great. They're catching on pretty good. And they're great helpers. They're amazing. Look at
They're
them
catching
go.
on. Wait, they're ketchuping on. Hey, they have ketchup on their white polos. That's awesome.
Yeah, fun at lunch. So no, they're great. They're great. We talked about check and checkmate today, and the rook roller. So they're catching on pretty good.
Yes.
Yeah. Only at
Awesome. Hey, how do you guys like chess?
Yeah!
Cool. What does check mean?
Check means
Checking.
Who's under attack?
The
Oh, and when your king's in check, does he have to get out?
Yeah!
Yes. Okay, when the king's in check, there's 3 ways to get out. Can you tell me one of them?
Attack!
Oh. Attack the piece checking you.
Run
What's
like a chicken!
Oh, what's it? Oh, nice. Good job. Who's been teaching you that? Wow, he's a good teacher, huh? He's a good coach. All right, go play chess. What are you guys doing over here? Yeah, I'm not sure what grade this is. I think it's kinder or first. I'm not sure, but we're gonna see what they're doing. Hey, this is 1st grade class. I wasn't sure. I thought it was kinder. But yeah, this is 1st grade. This is Coach Jeff. This is Marcia. She's playing chess with them. And 1st graders are here. Hey, 1st graders, you guys having fun? Yeah! All right. This is my homie. He gives me hugs. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Dude, they're setting up the chessboard good. Everything is cool. Hey, how you doing? Good to see you. Yes, good to see you guys. Yeah, so this is our demo board. This is our demo board. We teach off the demo board. I was thinking about going digital and getting like a projector, get a screen, but carrying it all around is kind of tough and challenging. We may do it with some schools. All right, let's go check out the kinders. A lot of them remember me from last year because I helped out with doing like the in-class demonstrations last year. So when they come up to me and hug me, it's because they know me from last year. I came to the school, did some chess presentations. And so it's good to see them now. They're in 1st grade. Last year they were in kinder, so. Oh boy. This is my favorite class. My favorite grade is kindergarten, but they're the hardest to teach and hardest to kind of control. What's up, bro? They're playing soccer, but we're too cool for them, so. Oh my gosh. So this is the kindergarten class. Hi, kinder. Say hi to the camera. Yeah, you guys having fun playing chess?
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. So this is Coach Stefan. This is Coach Ed. We're just here. We're almost done. What time are we done at? 40, right? Oh yeah, you guys clean up in 15 minutes. Have they been good enough to get candy? Yep. Really? All right, if they're messing around and they're not playing chess or thinking or trying, don't give them any treats or special prizes. All right, thank you. What's up, man? How you doing? What are you guys playing? Soccer? You guys with YMCA? Ours is it's just Trained Children Chess Academy. We're just a chess channel, yeah.
Oh, can I get
We're not a soccer channel. These guys play soccer, which is the most popular sport in the world. All right, full circle. We visited the second graders, first graders, and kinders, and now we're back at the third, fourth, and fifth. Yeah, there's probably around 220 kids. Actually, that's what's signed up, but there's probably 230 in actuality. Her king can never put himself in a square where it's being attacked. So so basically you have to take your move over. Redo your move. That is a stalemate. The king is not under attack, but he can't go to a square. That's when, hey, that's a tie game. Third grade, straight line in front of my peace sign all the way back. Oh, they're losing candy. Oh, he's getting candy. Oh, they're losing candy. Oh, he's getting candy. Oh, he's losing candy. Oh, he's getting... All right, that's a wrap. Super quiet in here. All the kids are gone. They're getting picked up right now. Today is the third week of Starr King Elementary in Long Beach, California. We will be back next week. We have 3 more weeks, and then we'll be done. But yeah, that's a wrap for today. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share this video, and we'll do as much as we can to bring more content. Yeah, thank you. Peace.